In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your work and back up a catalog in Lightroom Classic. If you're like many photographers or digital artists who rely on Lightroom to organize, edit, and store your images, ensuring your hard work is secure is crucial. We'll walk through the process of backing up your catalog and touch upon techniques to protect your edits by saving metadata to the files. Let's dive right in. First off, it's important to understand what we mean by saving metadata to files in Lightroom. Metadata includes the changes you make during editing, and saving this data directly to files can be incredibly helpful. You might choose to save metadata into sidecar XMP files or directly into RAW files. This isn't a requirement, but it's a great additional step to enhance your backup routine. To do this, simply select the photos you've edited. Then, go to the Metadata menu and choose Save Metadata to File. As a quick shortcut, you can also hit Ctrl+S on a Windows computer or CMD+S on a Mac, and Lightroom will automatically save the metadata to your files. This practice helps ensure your edits are preserved even outside of Lightroom's catalog. Now, moving on to backing up the catalog itself, let's make sure you have a secure copy of all your work. Within Lightroom Classic, proceed to the menu bar. If you're using Windows, you'll begin by navigating to the Edit menu and then selecting Catalog Settings. On a Mac, this option might be found under the Lightroom menu. Once you've opened the catalog settings, you'll notice several tabs at the top. You want to make sure you're on the General tab, sometimes referred to as the Backups section. In the Backup Catalog settings, you'll encounter a few different options that control how and when the catalog is backed up. These options typically include choices like when Lightroom next exits, every time Lightroom exits, once a day when exiting Lightroom, and once a week. Selecting the right frequency for your backups will depend mainly on how often you edit and update your library. For those who work frequently and want to ensure they never lose their progress, choosing every time Lightroom exits is a safe choice. It might mean waiting a moment for that backup to complete each time you close the program, but it offers peace of mind knowing your work is well protected. For others who might not edit as intensively, a weekly backup might be perfectly sufficient. Remember, the key to a good backup strategy is consistency. Make it a part of your regular workflow, and soon it'll become second nature. That's all for today's guide on saving your work and backing up a catalog in Lightroom Classic. Keep your creative work safe and sound by following these steps, and you can focus on what really matters, bringing your artistic vision to life. Happy editing!